Hi planner friends, my name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Today we are talking about unboxing Hobonichi 2024. So just a heads up, there will be some maybe bird noises in the background. That's because that are my birds. Might be chirping in the background, just a heads up. But anyways, I'm super excited. I already unboxed the original boxing and the planner, there was a planner that's not in here I received, and that's the Hobonichi A6. So, by the way, this year's color is more like a beige-ish brown color. This year was in red, but this year is like a beige color. And the box is so nice. I don't want to damage it. I still have my last year box, but I'm not sure about you guys. Do you guys keep your box or do you give it away? On the front, it has a fun quote, and it says, "A calendar is filled with numbers, days that have passed and days still to come." It's funny, of all of them, the only one we are living is today. The only day we can reach out and touch is today. That's so fun. Colors that I wasn't sure about. And so I'll show you what it looks like. So I have my Hobonichi A6 weekly supplement. Again, I'm using this planner again for next year. And then I have Hobonichi A6. Hobonichi Cousin. This is in the English edition. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue or not, but I am using Cousin right now and it's working really well. So I might continue on. I'll see. And it comes with this special baggie and a pen. This year's pen color is more like a forest color. So a little bit green, a little gray in between. I'm not sure, can you see it? There you go. This is better. And it has like a gold imprint, almost like gold imprint. I guess it's in yellow ink imprint on this casing. It looks so nice. This year is so much better than last year. Last year was like not my favorite. So let's unbox and see what we got this year. I know like every time these pouches have different designs, so I wonder what design I have. Oh, okay, snack o'clock. It's so cute. Oh man, it's so cute. What would you honestly use this for? I guess you could put snacks like on the go, or you can use that for like a trash bag on your table. Okay, I'm gonna put this back. Or should I just leave open? Let's leave it for now. So Hobonichi, and here are the weeks. Oh, I also got 2 of the weekly supplements. So I'm thinking that I might want to do a giveaway, a special giveaway, because since like all of you see that I do a plan with me with this planner all the time, and I don't know, I want you guys to also try experience it as well. So I might do a giveaway on my channel, my YouTube channel, and Instagram. So yeah, so that's that. And so these are, oh, I didn't buy that many actually. These color, I only bought 3 colors. I thought I bought one more different color, but maybe I forgot. Maybe I removed it. So here we have the purple. This year's or next year color is actually a little bit lighter. I'll create another video and compare the cover color from 2023 and 2024. So this is what it looked like. But so far I know that this is a slightly lighter purple color. And here comes the blue. Oh, this is so pretty. See this, like in this, like with the sunlight, this reflects exactly what it looks like in person. There's silver imprint in the year. Wow, looks so nice. And then the blue, wow, this color is so nice. It's like a dark blue. It's not black. I don't know why it's showing as black. It's like a dark navy blue, and it has gold imprint on there. It looks so nice. I think once you remove the cover, the plastic piece, you can see the color more real. I'm pretty sure I want to keep one, and then the other 2 I'll probably just like sell it or give away. But yeah, I'm thinking of leaning towards purple again. But the blue, it's so nice. What color do you guys choose? And that's about it. This is my haul. Let me know which planner did you go for. If you chose any of these weeks or whatnot, let me know what color you picked. It's definitely harder this year for me to decide, but I feel like I might lean towards purple because I'm currently using the purple for this year. But anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye, planner friends.